One stock you need to buy ASAP, like once market opens this week. In fact, at any point you're catching this video this particular week, this is one stock you need to buy heavy. You can say I wrote it here. Buy heavy. This stock is going to skyrocket within 30 days. And when it does, come and pay tithes. When it does, come and tell me. When it does, this is for people who are serious about wealth building that want to make some money. I'm giving you a freebie, like I'm giving out an information I'm sharing in my community. But today, I just said I am going to share this information for free. This is one stock that will give you 30%, 40%, 50%, 60% if you have the patience. This talk, just hang on. I'm not going to gatekeep. I'm going to tell you all about this particular stock. So today, class is in session. This is what stock you need to buy because it's going to skyrocket. And I'm going to give you a clear study of how to buy this in a pullback situation. You will definitely see more success when you buy low and sell high. Buy low and sell high. So I'm going to start by talking to you about, are you this person? See this person that is just drained. So are you the kind of person that typically buys a stock when it has gone up here? So you'll be hearing about the stock and then you finally buy the stock and then suddenly the stock starts to drop like 80%, and then you angrily sell it here, only for you to wake up like the next few days and the stock is around here. In fact, higher than where it was before. Hey, if this thing has happened to you, please put it in the comments. Tell me in the comment and say, Julia, this thing has happened to me. It has happened to me maybe this month, last year, whenever. Tell me if it has happened to you. I want this to be a very interactive video. So tell me if it has happened to you and tell me the stock that did this thing to you. So some people used to tell me, whenever I buy a stock, the stock tanks. And the moment I sell out of frustration because I'm tired of holding it, the stock rips. So if you are that kind of person, put it in the comment. Let me know how many people are on this particular. So if you're this kind of person, I want to give you a smart strategy you can use. So most times I see people who are in this situation tell me, I'm just feel, in fact, it's bad luck that is following me. I'm such a stupid person. I'm foolish. Why is it that I didn't spot this thing here? Let me tell you something. It is not you being foolish or stupid, nothing like that. It is also not bad luck. It's just something else. And that something is a system. Okay, it's a working system. So hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video is going to be a very interesting one. This is the kind of video that will make you money. See, when you watch this video, watch it to the end, and then five of your friends who have like 50 to 100k, 200k, let them invest in this particular stock. And when you people make money together, come and come and show me some love. That's all I'm asking. As you're liking this video, please share this video to a group of friends and say, this, let's just buy this one that she has mentioned. And when you buy it, I will tell you exactly what you're going to do. So that's all I'm asking for today. Like this video and drop the comment of what I've said, and then let me know if you're going to send this to your friends and you are going to do this particular thing. So let's get back to the strategy. So I said it's about a working strategy. It's actually a cheat code. I want to move from this person here who is confused, afraid, anxious, and emotional. And I want to move to become a calm, confident, and successful investor, because the most important thing that makes someone rejoice is when what you're doing is making sense. See, me, I've made my own mistakes and I've been able to like teach people not to make the same mistakes. This is one of the things I do in the community. I don't want to make the same mistakes I've made to lose a lot of money. So now I have a system. I don't need to guess. I don't need to predict. I don't need to do FOMO. Oh, fear of missing out. Because investing is emotional. That's why most people who don't understand they think they are stupid or is bad luck. No, it's emotion. You're playing with your emotions. You're playing against smart people, smart individuals, smart systems. So if your brain cannot handle it, it will just cause you to be confused, afraid, anxious, and emotional. Now I want to move you to a person who starts counting money. So the first thing you're going to do for me is that you're going to know the stock you're buying. Write down 5 reasons why you want to buy a stock. The stock you want to invest in, write down like, this is what I want, this is what I want. So if you want to buy a particular handbag as a lady, or you want to buy a particular suit, you usually write, this is the color I want, this is the size I want, this is the shape, this is the design I would love to, this is the price range. So do that for your own stock so that you can help you create rules and boundaries. Now, the next thing for you to do is that when you buy a good stock, please master patience. Patience is what differentiates you. In fact, in the stock market, typically, money moves from the impatient people to the patient people. And I'll give you an example. We bought AMD. AMD, I have talked about AMD for a few times, and it was around 125. It came down to 122, 120, and I told people to buy, and it dropped to $90. And some people angrily sold it. Some people held on to it. Now it's at 130. You see, when you have patience, even if it's going down, because you understand why you're buying that stock, it will still go up. So let's get into the stock of the day, because I cannot wait to tell you about this particular stock. This stock is called APLD. I'm going to talk about the partnership they have with CoreWeave, and then we get into the chart. So you will see the stock, you will see the price, everything you need to know about the stock. I am going to tell you, and I'm excited about this stock. So hang on. Now, this stock APLD is called Applied Digital Company. Applied Digital. So why are their stocks going? You can see this was June 2nd anyway, because you could have missed the first move. Somebody in my community made £200. This person is actually a client from UK, and she's in the VIP community. She actually invests in pounds. She made £200 from this particular stock in 3 days. This was when the stock did 48%, and it finally did 70%. So this stock actually had an agreement with this company called CoreWeave. CoreWeave is another stock that has been printing money for us too. Now, see here, CoreWeave and Applied Digital have signed 2 long-term lease agreements for artificial intelligence. See, AI is the future. Anything that has to do with AI, just study it very well and understand it. CoreWeave, the shares of NVIDIA backed CoreWeave. So NVIDIA is actually the mother, like they're using their GPUs. Go and Google GPUs, don't come and ask me. Now, GPUs are the backbone of every AI. The good thing about this particular Applied Digital is that they are running data centers. And now, CoreWeave is providing them AI and high performance computing infrastructure so that Applied Digital Data Center can run in so many states in America and even beyond. So you can see how it's like you are looking for money to buy a lister, and somebody says, come and take my list and be paying me 10,000 every day. If you need to use it for 10 days, come and hire it for 10 days. Then when you will need it again, you come back for it. You see, that money you want to save to buy one, you will prefer to go and take the one on lease for maybe 3 months and be using it. No stress in your head. That's what CoreWeave and APLD are doing. So when I say know the stock you're buying, please know the stock. Before I talk about any stock, I'm always very sure. Now, this is a video I saw, and they talked about the stock that has been overlooked. Just watch just for a few seconds. So this lady is talking about this particular stock. Okay, you can see APLD and CoreWeave data center lending leases. If you go and read this, you will see that they signed a 15-year, 7 billion deal with CoreWeave. This is massive. So this is why this stock is making sense for me. Now let's get into the chart, because I love the chart. This stock used to be a $3. $3. And then see, round to 15. So people that spotted this on time in early May, who saw when they were planning this, there are people that have insider information. Me, I don't have, but when I get a hood or a hint of any information, I try to make good use of it. So now, some people heard it when it was $4, $6. I actually heard it when it was around $7. But before I could jump into the opportunity, the stock was already at $9. And then it ran to, in fact, I sold mine at 14, and then it hit 15.42. And since then, it's been selling off. So this is the power of pullback. I've always told you people that one of the smart ways for you to make money in the stock market is the pullback move. So you missed this first run, yeah? Because of this current situation between Iran, Israel, and US, this stock may likely come down to 9, 8, 7. And I'm looking that I've been buying it since it touched 11 down to 10. I'm still picking it. Now you have opportunity to buy it at $10, $9, or even lower, but start picking it the moment you see this information. Buy this stock, give it 30 days. It may be longer than 30 days because right now we have this war situation. Nobody knows how the market is going to react. But you see this stock is going to retest this 15. So if you get it at $10 and sell at 15, you have made your 50% back. You should come and thank me. Put in 500K, you're making 250K. So this is what I want you to know, so that this will be very useful for you. So this is the chart. I'm using the daily time frame. Let's look at the 1 hour so we can see the movement. You can see it's been dropping the past few days. So some people even grabbed it when they saw it around 11 and sold at 13. Big money move. But since then, it's been dropping, and this drop is sweeting me because we've taken our money and we are trying to re-enter again. It's called my rinse and repeat strategy. So that's why I love this particular opportunity. So CoreWeave APLD is that stock. You can see it here. Is a designer, developer, and operator of our next generation digital infrastructure across North America. Go and read up about this stock, and you will see that this stock is going to milk you some very, very good amount of money. So something else I want to talk about is how you can buy this stock. Okay. For you to buy these stocks, you'll be needing an app. So you can go to Optimus. So this particular video, the referral link, I put it there so you'll be able to get this exact one. You click on it, or it will open, you put in your email address, your password, and your phone number, and your app is opened, your account is opened instantly. Then you can go in and fill in all the details. I've done detailed video on Optimus by Afrinvest. So when you have this, you can be able to go. They have the savings and they have the US stocks. Okay, so you can go to the US stocks part and be able to buy your. Okay, see here, you can see US stocks. So you can go there and get your stocks. You can also use Trove app. Trove is another lovely app that I was using before Optimus came. I love it because I can do both US stock and Nigerian stocks in there in one go. So Trove is beautiful. I'm going to put the link also in the description of this video. So you just click and download it. I've done videos on it. You can also watch the videos. The last one is Bamboo. Bamboo is another app that I love, so that you can use to get access to US stocks and Nigerian stocks. And one thing I love about Bamboo is that they actually added treasury bills and some other new product that you can even use to save money for your child. So there are so many good things about this. I'm going to also put the referral link. Just all you need to do is to click any of the links and have them. You can have many of them. There's no restriction. You can decide that one can be for you, one will be for your children, one will be for your retirement. That's how I split my own. I've given you very good information, which I share my community anyway, but you are my bestie, so I'm going to give you this information. So use these apps, and when you have finished downloading them, you fund them. All you need to do is that you will get a unique bank account where you will pick the account number. You just open your app and transfer into that. The money will just show up inside your app, and then you can go to your US and then you can buy. So this is one of the things I said you need to know: Optimus by Afrinvest, Trove, and then Bamboo. These three apps are all you need for you to get access to these particular stocks. So let's get back to this our conversation. So let's talk about what you have learned. Did you enjoy the lesson? Did you enjoy the fact that I have given you stocks and I've given you reasons why you need to buy the stocks? So please subscribe if you've not. Remember what I told you. Like this video, drop a comment, and then share this video with some of your friends. If you're looking to make money in the next 3 to 6 months, this is one stock you're going to buy. And when you buy, let me know. When you sell, let me know. When you make your money, let me also know, because I want you to make money. Don't say I've not done anything that is good for you this year. I have literally given you an access to make good amount of money. Understand that the risk is yours. So know if you can fathom it, because nothing is actually Of course, but this stock is going to return for us.